just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me and have access to my dementia.
Is SoundHound AI being sued? It is? Let me read that. Is this real? April 4th? Sued for security violations? Well, I'll tell you this much. They've been getting sued and their stock price still goes up and their revenue is still going up. So what does that have to do with the company? That's my question. If we're looking at it from a business standpoint, revenues are going up. Clearly they have a product that's in demand. And they're getting so much more demand every year that their revenues continue to rocket like 50% to 100%. So, sued for security. Okay, securities violations. This has nothing to do with the business itself. Case details. If you suffered a loss in SoundHound, oh my god, this is so stupid. If you suffered a loss in SoundHound, you're an idiot. Because that stock literally, we called it at $2 when NVIDIA announced its investment. It was just easy money because it was going to rocket, obviously. Then when it pulled back to $4, it found a bottom. So it was just about accumulating it, and then it ran to 25. And here we are again. It's at a bottom. It's going sideways under the purple line, and it's going to rocket eventually again. Because history repeats. You just saw that with HIMS. So, yeah, this has nothing to do with anything. This is just... Thank you for letting me know that they're getting sued. It has nothing to do with the business side of things. And you shouldn't be able to recover any money for taking a loss. You took the risk, you took a loss, screw you. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. Yeah, investors are suing SoundHound AI, accusing the company of failed to address serious accounting issues related to its acquisitions. So it dropped 15%, then it rocketed from $6 to $12. So what do I care? I'm not looking to invest in this. I'm just looking to buy it cheap, and then when it rockets at 50%, 100%, 30%, even 10%, I get out and I make my money. I'm a trader. I'm not here to invest in this anyways. If you want to invest in it, that's why I tell people this is a good one. But I take much less risk holding it by not holding it long term and just holding it for the flips. And I don't go all in, so this is not even concerning to me at all. For me, at least. Misleading investors with false statements regarding its accounting practices. OpenAI. Okay, what does that have to... Okay, let's see. Financials. And, okay, March 4, 2025, SoundHound disclosed that it could not file its 2024 financial report on time due to the complexity of accounting for... Yeah, I remember they announced the acquisition of Amelia Holdings. I remember that. Because I was bullish on that. So what? Are people upset because it dropped 15%? Is that what it is? Someone lost money and they're like, I'm suing you and I want my money back? That's what it would sound like. I could see that. Because people are that way. People don't want to lose in the markets, so they sue the company hoping to, essentially they want to play for free, right? There are people like that, believe it or not. They're just looking for anything. If I don't get rich from the stock market, I'll get rich suing the company. Give me my money back. No. They don't even want their money back. They want millions. That's what they want. They just want to get rich one way or another. I know I've met those kinds of people. It's usually people that are on the poorer side. Wink, wink. Wink, wink, wink is all else I'm going to say. I'll leave it at that. The ongoing challenges in lawsuit has led to the company stock falling nearly 15%. And the law firm has urged SoundHound investors who have suffered significant losses to contact the firm for more information. So is it really just some idiot who lost money on the 15% drop and they're upset about it? And so, yeah, it sounds like that. It just sounds like someone wants to get rich quick off of that. The company's going to be fine. Really? That's my takeaway. It has no effect or bearing on SoundHound, the company, in terms of revenue growth, in terms of more demand for their product, and we just saw that reflected on their quarterly report. Literally, their revenues doubled. So, yeah, that guy who said, "Oh, they're getting sued," that guy's an idiot. That guy's dumb. That guy doesn't understand how the game works. Anyways, nothing bearish here as far as I'm concerned. Just look out for that pattern that could play out. Other than that, let's see if we get a pump on Tuesday, because the stock market is, doing what it does. It's following whatever. If Trump opens his mouth, stock market drops because, oh no, tariffs. Then there's a pause, and then we pump again. And thus the cycle repeats. In fact, if he just shut up about tariffs and just said, hey, everything's fine, no more tariffs, nothing, we're done with this whole tariff nonsense, the stock market would just start. You think it's rocketing now? Just you wait. This ain't no bull run just yet. Just you wait. Anyways, the stock market continues to climb higher over the long term. We've seen SoundHound dump and recover, and it will do it again. Just like HIMS, just like uranium is skyrocketing now. This is just, if you look at the technicals and the company itself, there's nothing to be concerned about. I think only the stupid ones would be concerned about it because they don't know any better. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.